What's going on, everyone? Well, I thought I'd try something a little different on the channel today. I'm going to be unboxing one of my new Hot Wheels that I just picked up. If you guys follow my Instagram, you know I'm a pretty avid Hot Wheels collector. I've been collecting for quite a while now, and well, I figured I'd start with this one. So today we'll be unboxing the brand new 2019 Hot Wheels Premium line Fast and the Furious Nissan Silvia S15. Now, obviously, this is the new S15 mold that we have only gotten once so far in the Forza Premium line, but this one is in the Tokyo Drift deco of the Mona Lisa. Now, as you can see here, the artwork on the card, and then the new real Ryder wheels, which are clearly based off the TE37. And then in the background, you see some of the other cars on the line. You see the Ford Escort, the Lamborghini, the R32, and right there in the back corner, you can hardly see it, is the Nissan Skyline R34 from Too Fast, Too Furious. Here you go. The other cars in this wave. Now, I do have all the cars, and if this is something that interests you guys, I'll go ahead and unbox the rest. But, yeah, about enough of this, and we just go ahead and get this one right open. Alright, so here we have the unboxed Nissan Silvia S15 from the Tokyo Drift movie. Now, this is obviously the second time they have released the S15, but with the Mona Lisa deco. The first time was the Forza Motorsports one, which I will pull out here in a minute to compare. But let's take a look at this one first. So, as you can see, it's the exact same mold from the Forza one. Plastic wing, real Ryder wheels, clearly based off the TE37. We have a painted headlights, painted emblem, rays on the side, painted taillights, painted Silvia on the back, and then the blue, orange, and the blue car, orange and white stripes. So yeah, that is the S15. Now, this one is probably going to be the most sought after, along with the Forza one. The Forza one was damn near impossible to find in stores. If you were lucky enough, you walked into a Walgreens and they were on clearance for 50% off like me. And yeah, very sought after. You know, a lot of the 240 community has been looking for this one, and with no avail. But these have just been released, so keep a lookout. Now, this is the first release that we got of the brand new S15 mold. As you can see, it's clearly the exact same mold. Black plastic wing, real Ryder TE37 wheels, but this one has the Xbox on the side, the Forza Motorsports livery, still painted headlights, that intercooler in there, painted emblem, painted taillights, painted Silvia, but this one you can barely make it out. Obviously, the premium line, which both of these are, comes with the wheels, rubber tires, and the metal base. As to where the standard basic line comes with plastic wheels, probably it's going to come with your basic Hot Wheels wheels. Maybe not as much paint deco on the headlights and taillights. You never know. Plastic base. But yeah. Now, these were the first two S15 released here from the Hot Wheels line in this body style. Now, the ones we got before that, excuse me, I'm fighting off a cold, was this one right here. It resembles it okay, not the best as far as body line goes right about here, but they got the taillights down, you kind of got the headlights, you got the intercooler right there. Yeah, you can see S15. Oh wait, there you go. S15 Nissan Silvia. Obviously, these are those standard Hot Wheels wheels that you would get in the basic line. Plastic wheels, plastic base, not as much paint deco in the details as the premium line. But nevertheless, this was the first S15 released. Not too many people knew about this. Not too many people got it. But yeah, so much happier for these right here. These really represent the Nissan Silvia so much better with the body lines. I know the guy who wanted this mold pushed for it, pushed extremely hard for it, and I guess the only way they were able to get the licensing fees was to first put it in the premium lines to where they can make their money back. Probably if these sell well, they'll put it in the basic line, and then you'll get one with probably less deco in the paint details and not the real Ryder wheels. So yeah, obviously this was my first attempt at a video like this for this channel. As you guys know, this is mainly a car channel. If you liked it, let me know. I'll do more. I'll unbox the rest of the line, which I do have. But yeah, so until next time, guys, later.